Good morning, Year 7. Today we are doing some mixed addition, subtraction, multiplication and division practice. We have spent a few lessons on these things in the past, and so now we just want to mix them all up and make sure that we don't mix up the strategies that we need to do to answer them. So in question number 1, all of 1 from A down to G, we are adding and subtracting, which means that we are looking for like terms. So in A, 7m plus 12m, they have the same letters, so they are like terms. All I need to do is add the numbers in front. 7 plus 12 makes 19, and the m sits at the end. In B, 9y plus 2y minus 3y. Again, they're all like terms. So I need to do 9 plus 2, that's 11. Take away 3 will make 8, and I put the letter y afterwards. In C, 10v take away, there'd be a sneaky hidey little 1 in there. 10 take away 1 is 9v. In D, they are not all like terms. 3x plus 4x, they are like terms, but the minus 12 is different because it does not have an x. So the two highlighted ones, 3 plus 4 makes 7x, and the minus 12 will sit on the end. E, we have minus 3h, and then there's another h term down here, minus 2h, but the 4r is different. Minus 3 minus 2 more makes a negative 5h, and the plus 4r will sit at the end. For F, we have 6m plus 4m that will go together, but we also have minus 3n plus n. So 6 plus 4 makes 10m for the yellow ones, and then minus 3 plus the sneaky 1 would make a negative 2n, because minus 3 plus 1 is still negative 2, so negative 2n. And G, 13 and minus 8 are the terms that don't have any letters, so they will go together. And 5t minus 9t. 13 minus 8 makes 5. And now the green ones, a positive 5 minus 9 will make negative 4t. Okay, so now moving on to the next ones. Question 2, we have some timesing down here, and then it will turn into dividing for these last ones. Okay, so when we are timesing, we multiply the numbers and collect up the letters at the end. So 4 times 5 is 20, and the x and y will sit in alphabetical order at the end. In B, minus 6 times 3 is negative 18. The a times another a makes an a squared, and then there's 1b. In C, we have 4 times 3, which makes 12, times the minus 2 makes negative 24. So minus 24, and now add up put all the letters at the end. I have 2 a's, so that will be a squared. Then I also have 2 b's, so that will be b squared. So minus 24, a squared, b squared. Question D, we start our dividing ones. And in this one, we divide the numbers, and if there's letters that are in both terms, they will cancel out. In D, 12 divided by 3 is 4, and we only have one m, so the m will sit afterwards. Okay, on to E. We have 8 divided by 18. Now that is not going to go nicely. So what I can do is use my calculator to help me simplify those numbers. So I'm going to type in 8 over 18 and press equals, and I get 4 over 9. So what's actually happening is that I'm dividing the top and the bottom number by 2. 8 divided by 2 goes 4. 18 divided by 2 goes 9 times. Also, an n on the top will cancel an n on the bottom. What is left is 4m over 9, and that's it. So let's try f. 28 divided by 14 goes exactly 2 times. The x will cancel the x, and so I'll have a y and a z remaining. And for g, minus 7 divided by 11, that's not going to work. So what we might want to do instead is rewrite this question as a fraction. So as I said, if you tried to do as a fraction minus 7 over 11, nothing simplifies. You can see there on my calculator. So nothing changes with those numbers. But I can cancel an x from the top and an x from the bottom. A y squared means that I have 2 y's, so I could cancel off one of them, which means I'm going to cross off the squared with one of the ones on the bottom, and I'll still have 1 y left. Same deal with the z's. I can cross off the 1 from the bottom with one of the ones on the top, which means I'll still have a z left. And my final answer would be negative 7 yz over 11. And that's it. You now can practice exercise 8, please.